What's up, everybody? This is the Helpful Hacker here. Today, we're going to be going over the pre-security pathway from TryHackMe. So the way that TryHackMe is built is they have pathways, and then inside each pathway, you have modules, which are these things. So in this pathway, the pre-security pathway, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5 modules. And then inside each of those modules, you have individual rooms, and you complete those rooms, complete all the rooms, you've completed the module, you complete all these modules, you complete the pre-security pathway. So that's the way that TryHackMe is kind of built. And today we're going to be going over the pre-security pathway. I think it's, if you're just starting out with cybersecurity or you just are starting out on TryHackMe, I think the pre-security pathway is the pathway that you should start with. Even if you have a little bit of computer knowledge and you feel like, oh, well, I already kind of know how Linux works. I've used it before. Or maybe you know a little bit of JavaScript or have worked with websites in the past, kind of this stuff down here. You still should probably just review this anyways, because it's fantastic review. It's good to, revisit the fundamentals. And that's really what this room is going to cover, or these rooms are going to cover. And these modules are just the basic fundamentals of all these sections. So it'll give you an intro to cyber. You'll talk about networking fundamentals, learn the OSI model, all that good stuff. Then it'll go into websites. You'll learn HTTP, DNS. It'll talk about that. It'll talk about JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Then Linux and the Windows modules. Each of those, I think, has 3 rooms, and they're just going to go through file systems, the settings, really how to use those operating systems, and the basics of both of those. So that's the pre-security pathway. It's a great place to start. I have videos that walk through all of these rooms, and so you can check out that on my channel. You can start by checking out this Intro to Offensive Security room. You can just click the link on your screen. And with that, that is my quick overview of the pre-security pathway from TryHackMe.